I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to turn on the seat warmer on the Honda Odyssey minivan. So you can see the seat warmer button is here, and I'm going to go ahead and press this button, and we get three different levels of seat warming. So the three dots here, this is the top level, it starts at that. I can press the button again to adjust the level down to 1 if I want to, or to switch it back off again. So once you switch it on, you'll have to press it 3 more times to switch it off again. The other thing to note is, for some reason, I don't know why they do this, but once it's switched on, over time, it's actually going to decrease the level every, maybe 10 minutes or something, it seems. So again, I'm not sure why they do that. Maybe it can't stay on the highest level forever. But if you notice that it started out at 3 and now it's at 2 or dropping down, just start it up again, get it back up to 3 if you want to keep using it. Again, I'm not sure why they do that. If it's a cold day, you generally want to keep the warmer on, but that's what you want to do with that. And then when you're done, again, just press it until all those lights are back off again. You generally have one for both the passenger and driver seat, and I find it's really nice on those chilly days.